Federation. This now the sanction by the Chairman Antonio Francisco Rivera, Commissioners Angel Bautista and Manuel Esplaza III, Chief of Pro Boxing and other contact sports, Mr. Rodeo Mandaog. Judges for this bout scoring this contest in the 10-point box system will be Sammy Bernarde, Eduardo Nobleza, and Hilco. And with the battle ranger man in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Don R. Williams. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with gold, official weight 105.7 pounds, professional record, 3 victories, 2 defeats with 1 down even. All of this victory coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing King of Pound Fitness Center of Batangas City, producing Mike Ascension.
Mike Ascension po mga idol.
There is a point across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black with white. Official weight 104.6 pounds, professional record, 2 victories with 2 bout even, and he is undefeated. Proudly representing Gloves and Glory Boxing Club of Pasay City, ladies and gentlemen, Richard Hardman. Once again, the instructions is referee Don R. Williams.
Round 1 mga idol. Umpisa na.
Round number 1.
The Hurricane. Ascension versus Hang.
Gawas, gawas. Gawas, Max, gawas. Ayo, Ana. Ayo, pasambag. Yuk. Gamit ka jab ka, gamit ka jab. Jab hook. Jab hook sa ubos.
Tulog mga idol. Knockout. Grabe.
Tulog ha.
Sama ng bagsak mga idol. Sakol. Grabe ang tama. Knockout. Knockout talaga mga idol. Tapos agad ang laban. Lipad.